Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Well, as I have promised, we will continue the lecture. A possibility is not probability. Possibility, but not probability. It is that the Kemetic author of the inscription is writing as according to the vocabulary of Kemetic language. The word might have pre-existed Exodus in Kemetic language. He is using the same sense or the same word and did not use the proper word. Perhaps it did not even exist at that time. So it is a very strong thing. Well, I will say that perhaps this was the word which was used for Israelites or Hebrews by pharaohs. Now after Exodus, and even if we suppose that they were well organized in countries or using old model, we can suppose many things, that they were well organized, they faced powerful judges of Israelites and so on. Even then, they used the same word which they knew. They did not coin another word. Why? Well, this is the language problem. We cannot argue that they had a new. We cannot suppose that they had a original word for certain people. They use the same word. Even if they had such a word, they use the old word for them. Why? Because this was generally used for them since ages. Well, this is a possibility. If someone says that it is not a probable, we will accept for sake of argument that it is not probable, but even then it is possible. And now we say that it is probable as well, that this is our second claim. Why? Because we do not know what the word they used before for the Israelites before the event of Exodus. So the word might have pre-existed in Kemet before, and in Kemetic language, and he is the author of this sentence is using the word and did not use the proper word if they had any. Perhaps it does not exist at that time. Now we come to another point 5. Pharaoh might have been referring to the event of Exodus itself, and we will discuss this thing later. So in our discussion, we have proved that the sentence about Israelites in the Stele is false. When the sentence is false, so we cannot argue against any holy scripture, whether it is a Hebraic or Greek or Arabic, that they are wrong. Secondly, to wind up, I will say that suppose the old model. So then he had attacked Barak and Deborah, or Gidon or Jidon, or the tribal coalition. These are three possibilities. But in any case, they were settled people. So why the author used such a word? Thank you. You may have known that this objection also shows that the objection maker assumes that a great event has been missing from the Tanakh and it is missing deliberately. Hope that this will solve the confusion. Thank you. Tamat.